Imagine starting your morning in a way that sets the tone for the whole day. Calm, thankful, and motivated. Just 5 minutes can change everything. This is day 6 of your 360 5-day meditation journey. Stay till the end, and you'll walk into today with a smile, gratitude, and unstoppable energy. Welcome back. Each morning is a fresh start, a blank page. Today's meditation will fill your mind with gratitude and motivation, so you carry positivity with you wherever you go. Close your eyes and sit tall. Inhale deeply through your nose, feeling fresh energy fill your body. Exhale slowly through your mouth, releasing any heaviness from yesterday. Let's repeat this 3 times. Think of 3 things you are grateful for this morning. It could be as simple as the sunlight, your breath, or a person you love. Smile gently and let that gratitude expand in your heart. Picture yourself going through today with confidence and clarity. See yourself smiling, handling challenges with ease, and spreading positivity to everyone you meet. Imagine the day flowing smoothly, full of opportunities and joy. Repeat in mind slowly. Today is a gift. I am thankful for this new beginning. I am strong, focused, and motivated. I create a positive day for myself. Take one last deep inhale, exhale with a big smile. Slowly open your eyes and welcome this new day with gratitude and energy. This was day 6 of your 360 5-day meditation journey. Remember, how you start your morning shapes your entire day. Before you go, type in the comments, "I am grateful for today." Let's fill this space with positivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow for day 7.